Students, so we have a question over here. So we have a circuit here. This is a 5 volt battery. This is 1 ohm resistor, and this is 2 ohm resistor. Okay. Further, this is a 3 volt battery we have, and here we have a 3 ohm resistor, and that's it. This is CD, B, E, and AB, AF. So current is flowing from this. Okay, and here I1 current enters such that I minus I1 is entering into this branch. Okay, so I1 is flowing in this branch, same I1 is flowing in this branch, and I current is flowing in this branch. So if we see that these two are in series, so I can write that we have a 5 volt battery which is connected to a 3 ohm resistor. Okay, and we have a 3 volt battery here, and there is a 3 ohm resistor we have. I'm calling this point as suppose A, okay, this point as B. So if we see here, so A is connected to the point A. If I'm calling this point as A, so A is connected to here minus 5 volt, okay, and further minus 5 volt is attached to 3 ohm resistor. 3 ohm is attached to B. Further, A is also connected to plus 3 volt, and B is connected to plus 3 volt. Okay, and this is connected to 3 ohm, we can say that, but A and B both hands are connected to that 3 ohm resistor. Okay, so this is 3 ohm resistor, its positive terminal, the 3 volt battery which we have, positive connected to A and negative connected to B. Okay, between A and B. Okay, so this resistor is not present here, so it is just a battery we have like this, and we can say there is a 3 ohm resistor like this between A and B. Okay, so this is the overall circuit we have. Current, basically how much current is flowing. So from this, I current is flowing. Out of that I current, in the this 3 ohm resistor, there is a flow of, basically, I minus I1 is entering into this, and I1 is entering from B to A, or from, we can say, in this particular circuit we have from B to A exactly. Yeah, something like this. I1 is flowing in this branch. So let's start solving. We need to calculate the I and I1. So as per the figure, let's start solving this question. So there is a 0 ohm resistor here, correct? So equivalent will be 5 into 0 plus, actually minus, which one is bigger? 5 volt is bigger, so I'm considering this as suppose plus, and minus of 3 multiplied by 3 by R1 plus R2, which becomes 3, becomes minus 3 volt. The meaning of minus 3 volt is, or we can actually, let's start solving from that method, that making a loop, and start solving the question. Okay, so let's start solving the question without assuming anything. I'm starting from point A itself. So VA plus 5 minus 3I, okay, minus of 3I, and plus of 3 is equal to VA, correct? So this is coming out to be 5 and 3, 8 is equal to 3I. So I is coming to be simply 8 by 3 ampere. That is the value of I we are getting right now. And just start solving, making the another loop, VA plus VA and plus 5 minus 3I plus 5 minus 3I, and minus 3i1 is equal to Va. So Va cancel out. 3i1 is coming out to be 5. 3i1 is coming out to be 5 minus 3i. What is the value of I? 8 by 3. That means we are getting with the value of I1 as 5 minus 8, which is minus 3. So I1 is coming out to be minus 1 ampere. Okay, that is the value of I1. So we have calculated the values. Minus I1 is just stating us that this current I1 is flowing actually. This is wrong direction. Actual direction is this. Okay, this is right. So hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.